WhisperAPI AI is the latest release that's making waves in the world of AI tools. And if you're wondering whether it's right for you, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. This is one of the best just released AI software tools, and it's already changing the game. Stick around until the end because I'll give you a few insights that could save you time and help you get the most out of it. WhisperAPI is designed to help developers and businesses easily integrate voice-to-text functionality into their applications without having to deal with complex setups. You can get real-time accurate transcriptions in multiple languages, which means no more labor-intensive manual transcription for your videos, meetings, or audio files. Best part? It's built to scale with your needs. One of the standout features of WhisperAPI is its high accuracy. Unlike some other voice-to-text software that struggles with accents, noise, or technical jargon, WhisperAPI uses advanced machine learning to adapt to different voices and environments. This makes it not only a game changer for casual users, but also for professionals who need precision and efficiency in their transcriptions. Another thing that sets WhisperAPI apart is its ease of integration. With just a few lines of code, you can get this software working in your project. This is especially important for developers who don't want to waste time trying to figure out complicated APIs. It also comes with comprehensive documentation and support, so even if you're new to AI integrations, you won't be left in the dark. The software also provides real-time streaming transcription. This means that if you're working with live events, interviews, or podcasts, you don't need to wait until after the recording is finished to get your transcriptions. The accuracy and speed are impressive here, making it an invaluable tool for content creators who need to keep up with fast-paced environments. WhisperAPI is also incredibly flexible when it comes to the languages it supports. It offers multilingual transcription, which opens up a world of possibilities for global businesses. Whether you're dealing with French, German, or Japanese audio files, WhisperAPI handles it with ease, providing accurate results that you can rely on. What about pricing? WhisperAPI offers a free trial to let you explore its features, and their pricing model is pretty reasonable for what you get. They charge based on the amount of audio you process, and the more you use, the more cost-effective it becomes. The free tier is ideal for smaller users, and it gives you a chance to test the software without any risk. If you're a business owner or developer looking for a scalable, high-quality, and easy-to-use transcription solution, WhisperAPI could be a perfect fit. Whether you're building a product, processing meeting notes, or turning podcasts into text, WhisperAPI has the tools to handle it. So if you're ready to dive in and try this amazing software for free, just click the first link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and after testing WhisperAPI, I'm confident it will help you save time and increase productivity. I've also compiled a list of other AI tools that can make your life easier. They're linked in the description, so check them out. After all, when you've tried as many AI tools as I have, you start to realize which ones actually deliver